Episode 2, Common Contractions. Welcome back to Contractions Crash Course, TikTok fam. This week, we're diving deep into everyday contractions you'll hear and use regularly. Let's get started. Our first example is, it is, which becomes the snappier, it's. Imagine you're talking about the weather. Instead of saying, it is sunny today, you can say, it's sunny today. Easy, right? It is raining, transforms into, it's raining. You are amazing, turns into, you're amazing. Fantastic! Now, let's look at another common one. You are becomes you're. So, if you want to express admiration, you can say, you are fantastic, or shorten it to, you're fantastic. You are busy, transforms into, you're busy. They are here, turns into, they're here. Awesome job! Remember, these contractions add a natural flow to your conversations. Practice them in your daily chats and stay tuned for more contraction wisdom next week.